Lately I felt a little all over the place, like I've been pouring into everything and everyone, but not really into myself. And honestly, I miss that version of myself, the one who shows up, takes care of herself, and follows through. So, this week, I decided just to start, not with some perfect curated routine, but with little choices. Waking up, taking care of my skin, makeup, getting dressed, spending a lot of time with God, just trying to build something that actually makes sense and works for myself and the goals that I have. And of course, life doesn't pause for a reset. There are still kids that need to take care of, a marriage that I am so blessed to pour into, things to do and places to be, and a lot of moments feel loud, busy, and a lot overwhelming. But I'm learning to find myself through God, through reading His Word and spending that quality time with Him in the middle of all of it. It just allows me to be present and show up for myself the way that it is necessary. Most days have felt slower than others, like I didn't have the energy to do everything I planned. But instead of giving up on the day, I focused on doing something else. Y'all know I absolutely love a good dilly dally moment, and that brings me a lot of joy to spend time outside and not dwell in the chaos or the challenges that I'm going through. But most importantly, is just taking those thoughts captive and submitting them to the Lord, because that is what is helpful. So we don't wallow in depression or anxiety. We just surrender it to Him, let Him have His way, and enjoy the outside. And in between all of that, I am slowly finding my way back to me, taking that time to get ready, to feel put together, to remember that I'm allowed to show up for myself too, to do the things I genuinely enjoy and not feel guilty about it. Because if I am not whole, how can I pour into the various hats that God has blessed me with? Good morning, y'all. So I'm just trying to find parking because I am doing this really cute walk. I found this girl on TikTok and she's doing like this run club where we live at, and I'm looking mighty rough right now. I literally just got off work, changed into some gym clothes, and I am heading right there. And honestly, like, this is so cute. I love that. And like, it's such a big turnout too, which I absolutely love, because that's like what's super, like, I expected it, because I feel like a lot of people here, they are looking for, let me see if I could turn, child, I shouldn't be turned, well, it's 9 a.m. okay. There's a lot of people here that's looking for a community, and honestly, like, I love that so much, and that's what I've been looking for too. And it's so beautiful to see Black women that are taking care of themselves, that are like, you know what, my health is important. Jesus, finding parking here is so annoying. I should have parked at my in-laws house, but anyway, it's so beautiful to see Black women that are taking their health so serious, you know, wanting to be healthy, you know, getting their mind right spiritually, mentally, physically, and just finding that community is so important, because we don't have that for real. And I'm just excited to see how things turn out. I was gonna wear my waist trainer, not my waist trainer, my sweatband, but honestly, I'm just trying to keep it real cute. But let's go. And to add, what I'm realizing is that consistency doesn't mean doing everything perfectly. It just means not giving up on yourself. This week wasn't perfect, but I showed up in ways I normally wouldn't have. And for me, that is growth. I am becoming the woman God intended me to be, one intentional day at a time. See y'all in my next video. Love y'all. Bye.